So, I have entered a epic baking competition. A Reno County bake-off. And I'm going to be entering my snickerdoodles in the competition. And so we are going to start making them right now. Actually, right after we clean all this junk up.
Get the gang together, no time to lose. Make yourself comfy, let's watch some lemon juice.
Okay, time to start the baking process. Dough is all made, we are going to be letting it cool, and then we will roll them in cinnamon and sugar and put them in the oven. Okay, so it is now the morning, and I have picked out a select number of cookies that I thought would be good to enter, and got all the paperwork thingies signed out, filled, whatever, and now they're off at the competition, and we're going to be waiting for a call back from them to see what place I got. So we'll see you when the phone call comes in. Okay, so I entered the cookies in the competition, and the results are in, and my cookies got second place out of, like, I don't know how many people, but second, not bad, not great. The moral of the story is, try something new. My challenge to you is, try something new, maybe you'll win money. I did, and it was just baking cookies. So, yeah, I challenge you to go and try something new. Try something new that you have not done before. Sweet. Okay, and I will see you next month.
Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks.